Lindsay and Sydney here. We're going to show you a great way to style some of our great Tea for the Soul tops with some of our fantastic jewelry and accessories.
Yes, whether it's casual, more fancy, we're going to show you the right way to accessorize. So for this top, it's a more casual look. It's a V-neck. So what I've done is I've paired it with these shorter necklaces. They're just these really dainty necklaces that fit right where, you know, your skin is showing with the V-neck. And then I paired it with these fun earrings that aren't too overwhelming. They're just enough, you know, extra sass. And then my favorite bag, which is this really fun, you know, full of pattern bag. I love it. It just kind of brings out this pop of color. So this is definitely a more casual top, but I love the way I've accessorized it, and I hope you guys do too.
A great chambray top just needs a little bit of sparkle. I've done just that by adding this great stack of beaded bracelets and then a nice classic little bangle. I just love the mixture of like the classic and the glam with such a great top.
Okay, so for this top, it's a really fun leopard and white color block top, and it's that like baseball tee type. So with those, you get a lot of like the center is just kind of blah, like let's be honest. So I accessorized it with this fun long necklace with this pop of black to bring out the colors in the leopard, and then I've got these really cute shades I can throw on if it's sunny. So I absolutely love this look and hope you guys do too.
We hope this video inspired you to add a little extra to your outfit every day. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. We have lots of fun stuff coming your way.